So in the solution of 81 x raised power 6 minus 64 y raised power 8, we write as this 81 is 9 square, x raised power 6 is written as x cubes square because power is multiplying in the bracket. So 6 is written as 3 square, power 3 square, and similarly 64 is 8 square, and y raised power 4 is written as y raised power 4 square. Now it becomes multiplied, power will be multiplied in the bracket case. So common we can write 9x cube whole power 2 minus 8 y raised power 4 whole square. Now identity a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. So 9x cube minus 8y raised power 4, 9x cube minus 8y raised plus 8y raised power 4. So this is the final answer. Similarly, some doubt questions of factorization we are solving. So first doubt question is 27th, 256 y raised power 8 minus y raised power 6. So 256 is 16 square, y raised power 8 is y raised. Now we take the common first. There is a common. Y raised power 6 is common first. We see if there is common, then we take first common. So after taking common, we divide y raised power 6 first term, we get y raised power 2. Because in divide power will subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2. And in the second term we divide y raised power 6 by y raised power 6, we get 1. Now 256 is 16 square and y square is there, so whole it is 16y square. Minus 1 is nothing but it is square of 1. 1 is square of 1 itself. So this is now identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Outer term we write as it is. So outer term y square, inside we write 2 bracket 16y minus 1, 16y plus 1. That is the final answer of 27th answer number. Similarly 28th answer number. So again 28th is interesting. So what is the trick here now in 28? In the answer number 28, the trick is here. So in 29th answer trick is (18m raised m square minus 32p raised power 6). So we take the common first in number. There is a common number, and from 18 and 32 we can say the common is 2. After taking common, we divide 18 by 2, we get 9. 32 divided by 2, we get 16. Now 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square. Now this is the 3m square and this is 4p square. Now there is the identity a square minus b square is a minus b times a plus b. So 3m minus 4p, 3m plus 4p. This is the final answer of 28. Now next one is 29th. 29th question is 36h square minus 100b raised power 8. Now first again we take the common. Variable does not have common, so power, number is common, and number common is what? From 36 and 100 we can say it is divisible by 4. So we take the common 4, so it gives us 9h square, it gives us 25b raised power 8. Now we can write 9h3 square, 25 is written as 5 square, and b raised power 8 is written as b raised power 4 square. Outer term 4 is written as it is, it is 3h whole square 5b raised power 4 whole square. Now identity formula. So answer is in two bracket we write in first bracket 3h minus 5b raised power 4, in second bracket 3h plus 5b raised power 4. Next is 31. Question number 31. Four g square minus 25 m raised power 8. So here is 4 written as 2 square. For 25 is written as 5 square. M raised power 8 is written as m 4 square. Now this is 2g common whole square. This is 5m power 4 whole square. Now a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. 2g minus 5m power 4 and 2g plus 5m raised power 4. Now in the question number 34, in the question number 34, the question is 36 x plus y whole square minus 25 c plus q whole square. So here is 36 is written as 6 square and 25 is written as 5 square. So 6 square is taken common, so it becomes 6x plus 6y after multiplying. And similarly here it becomes taken 5 common, inside it will multiply inside, power 2 taken common, so 5c plus 5q. Now there is the identity a square minus b square. There are two brackets. So here is a first bracket and b here is second bracket. So a minus b, 6x plus 6y. Minus means opposite the sign of second bracket. So minus 5c minus 5q. And in the second bracket 6x plus 6y plus 5c plus 5q. This is the answer. Now second last question, 36th of doubt. So 36th question is 993 square minus 7 square. Now look the question. It is interesting. Again we are using identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This is common for both of you. So a here is 993 minus 7 and 993 plus 7. So plus 7 gives us 1000 and minus gives us 986. So answer is 986000. Last question. 37. 5 complete 3 over 5 whole square minus 3 complete 2 over 5 whole square. So in this question we write the identity again. First we convert into improper fraction. So 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28 by 5 minus 3 5 are 15 plus 2 17 over 5. Now a square minus b square identity, 28 over 5 minus 17 over 5. In first bracket 28 over 5 plus 17 over 5 in second bracket. So in first bracket we take LCM 5. 28 minus 17 is 11. In second bracket 28 LCM is 5. 28 plus 17 is 45. Now multiply numerator and denominator. So 11 into 45 is 495, and in denominator multiply 5 5 are 25. 495 divided by 25, it gives us 25 1 are 25 and 24 remainder 245. So 9 are 225. So 19 complete 20 over 25. 20 and 25 further cancel. So it gives us 19 complete 4 over 5. Final answer. So in this way we have completed our doubts, question mark answers.